Hey, I got a question. Have you ever found yourself scrolling on social media? You see an amazing action shot and wonder, how in the world did they do that? Well, if you're ever trying to capture a moment but need to do it in a super big hurry, these tips will take your action shots to the next level. I'm the CyberGuy, and you can sign up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. The best way to make sure you capture every single second of a motion shot is to use a cam setting called burst mode. This feature is available on iPhone and Android. Burst mode lets you take multiple frames within seconds, giving you more options to choose from. Let me explain. Well, let's start with iPhone first. To use burst mode, open the camera app on your iPhone XS and later models. Swipe the shutter button to the left. On iPhone 10 or earlier, touch and hold the shutter button. The counter is going to show how many shots you've taken, and just lift your finger to stop. Now let's say the first photo in the burst is not the one you want. Well, you can actually scroll through all the images it took to pick the favorite you got in mind. To do this, open the photo in your camera roll and click on the image that looks a lot like a stack of images. You'll see the word burst next to the number of photos to the top left hand of your screen. In the bottom row, click the blue select text. Now you can scrub left or right to see all the images it took. Once you find the one that you love the most, click the empty circle in the lower right-hand corner of the photo and tap Done in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to either keep all the photos or just the single photo you selected. If you've got an Android, open the camera and go to Settings. Under the Pictures section, tap on the Swipe Shutter button to take Burst Shot row. Then select Take Burst Shot and go back to the camera app. To take some burst photos, simply hold the camera button and slide it down. You can then find your photos in your photo gallery. Just like iPhone, to select which images you want to keep, click the gray icon below the photo with the stack of photos and the associated number of burst photos taken. Now you can scroll through all the thumbnails in the burst. Click on the empty circle in the lower right-hand corner to select the image you want to keep. Tap the down arrow icon below it to keep the image. There you have it. No more worries about missing a rare shot. With any sporting event or capturing fast-moving objects, using burst mode is a great way of giving you the shot that you really want. For more smart tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.